My dear students, good morning to you all. So, I welcome you, all of you, in my online class. So, today I will going to discuss about voice change. So, I invite all of you, please pay attention in my class, and I hope you will learn something from my class. Okay, let's go. Now, today we will discuss about voice change. Voice change. What do you mean by voice change? Or what's the Bengali meaning of voice? We know voice means bacho, and there are two kinds of voice change: active voice and passive voice. So there are two kinds of voice: active voice and passive voice. So do you know what is active voice and what is passive voice? So I am going to clarify it. Active means whatever subject, doer will be subject and subject will do the work. That is called active voice. And passive voice, object will work. That the work will be done by object, that is called passive voice. So its structure, let's see. Subject plus verb plus object. This is the structure of active voice, and if we write passive voice structure, that will be like this: subject plus auxiliary verb plus verb plus preposition plus object. Okay, now you see active voice, there are three categories: a subject, verb, object, 1, 2, 3. But in a passive voice we will get 5 categories: is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means subject, and additional topic will be auxiliary verb and preposition. So how we will identify this is active voice or this is passive voice? So easy way we can find out, that is, there will be only 3 items or 3 topics: subject, verb, object, and in a passive there will be 5. That means subject, auxiliary verb, passive, a verb in 3 form, then preposition and object. So let's have one example. You say I eat. So this does not work well. Okay, he eats rice. Just see an example. This is subject, this is verb, and this is object. Okay, subject, verb, object. So how we will find what kind of a voice it is? This is active voice, because there are only 3 items: subject, verb, and object. And if we do it or convert into passive voice, what will be the passive sentence? You see, rice is eaten by me. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We in a active voice we get 3 topics, and in a passive mode we got 5. This is subject, this is auxiliary verb, this is verb in 3 form, and this is preposition, and this is object. So there are some categories and tips to convert active to passive. Now we will going to discuss about it, but this is basic structure. If we write active voice, you have to follow this structure: subject plus verb plus object. And if we convert active to passive, we have to follow this structure: subject plus auxiliary verb plus verb 3 plus preposition plus object. As a preposition, we can write here some preposition mostly used by, then to, then with, and in. So at, this one is mostly used preposition, and we can use this preposition according to sentence, according to demand of the sentence. Okay, now I think you understand these things. Now I will going to discuss about the tips of a voice change. How we will identify it will be active voice, it will be passive voice. So let's go. Okay. You see tips. So we have to remember five tips to convert active to passive or passive to active. First of all, one is active, passive, so you see active is subject, passive is object. Okay, now number one and number two, and number two, you see a subject number person অনুসারে auxiliary verb বসবে. If subject is singular, verb will be singular. If subject is plural, then verb will be plural. So according to subject, a auxiliary verb will be placed there. Okay, now number three, and number three will be past participle form. That means verb with past participle form. Whenever we will do active to passive, then a passive mood verb will be taken past participle form. Okay, then number four, preposition by, to, with, by, to, with, at, in বসবে, and preposition হিসেবে by, to, with, at, in বসবে, and then last one will be passive.
Yeah, start the yeah. I think start the new
Okay, now you see the tips of changing voice. Activate subject, passive object হবে, and then subject number person অনুসারে auxiliary verb বসবে, এবং verb a past participle form হবে whenever we will write the main verb then we will put verb a three form that means past participle form then preposition হিসেবে by to with at in বসবে and then passive এর object active এর subject হবে so this is the main tips of doing voice change okay if we remember this a tips or structures then we will do easily active to passive or passive to active okay now so I am with person change okay so there are three kinds of person first person second person and third person okay there will be subjective form then objective form okay that's all there is also another form possessive form no need to discuss about it now we are going to discuss only subjective form and objective form so in a past person I subjective form I and objective form will be me and the plural form of first person we and objective form will be us so this is a first person and second person you your or yours you can write this is singular form and your that is plural form or yours if we write plural form then will be yours okay then the most important part also third person if we write here is subjective form he objective form will be him and she objective form will be her okay then if we write they this is singular form and this is plural form they it will be them and if there is also name will be no change name that means no change okay so you got the point person change there are three kinds of person first person second person and third person and there are also subjective form there are also singular form and plural form I that means singular form and its objective form will be me and then we this is plural form of first person and its objective form will be us and then you see second person you and you that is singular form and your or yours that is plural form and third person you see he if it is man that we use he and objective form him and if a subject is a lady or woman then we can use she and objective form will be her okay they means if subject is plural form then we can say they and they objective form will be them and if there is name any name place person or things there can be three names place person and things name will be no change okay I think you got the point so I will now going to discuss about tense so tense is very important in a voice change if we do not know the tense clearly if we have no idea of tense clearly then it will be little bit difficult to make a easy voice change okay voice change is very important but this is also part of tense we have to clear idea about tense okay now I am going to discuss about tense. Okay, tense. Just we will briefly discuss about tense, and then there are firstly three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. And there are also sub classification or divisions. In present tense we have 4 steps. That means present indefinite, it's starting present tense. Present tense, that means present indefinite, then active and passive. Active mode and passive mode. Present indefinite will be a subject plus verb 1 plus object. So if we convert it to passive, then will be like this: subject plus am, is, are plus verb 3 plus preposition plus object. Okay? So then past continuous, sorry, you have to present continuous. So this it's do not work well. Okay, does not work well. Present con. Present continuous.
Kalah.
Okay, present continuous will be like this: subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing plus object. So there will be like this. It same to same, but additional will be only being. Am, is, are plus being plus verb 3 plus rest. Now today we will discuss about only 2 items: present indefinite form and present continuous form. So how we will convert active to passive this sentence. Okay, now I will discuss only 2 items: a present indefinite and present continuous. Okay, see. Okay, now there is no marker. My God. Draws a picture. So this is in active mode. Okay, he draws a picture. So what kind of tense is it? He draws a picture. This is present indefinite, and according to structure we have to convert and a active to passive. This is also sentence of active. Now we will convert it in passive. A picture is drawn by him. A picture is drawn by him. This is passive mode. Now just you see, so how it convert from active to passive. You see this subject gone there as a object, and you see a picture has come first position, and then you see draws. There are 2 verbs, is and drawn. and this is additional preposition. Now you see he draws a picture. There are subject, verb, object, but in a passive, a subject, verb, a auxiliary verb, verb in 3 form, preposition and object. We got there five items, and there are only 3 items. Okay, now we will discuss about he is drawing in active mood, but according to tense this is present continuous. Now we will discuss it. Convert it passive mood. A picture is being drawn by him. Okay, this is passive. So I don't want to take class longer because it will be little bit boring. So just I have given a primary elementary idea about voice change. So later on I will discuss about voice change in details. So I hope you paid attention in my class and you learned so many things. And I request you please follow my classes, and next one I will come again another topic with another topic. So till then keep well, so save well. So thank you to you all.